I got pine logs from my little forest. They died of drought and heat over the last few years, and I want to put them to good use. So what I'm gonna do is to learn how to hew them to beams, because I want to learn how to timber frame, because we want to build a little porch in our backyard. I need to hew about 20 of those logs. That will keep me busy over the next time and will be a good exercise and practice, I guess. So I will keep you updated on this big project, and I'm very excited to start today. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel or leave a comment down below. I'm always interested in hearing about your thoughts. That's it for now. I'm gonna get to work and see you soon.